India's quest for self-reliance in advanced aerial warfare gains momentum as DRDO and Safran discuss the engine for the 5th-gen AMCA. Safran's 100% transfer of technology marks a shift, granting India access to blueprints and manufacturing expertise. With a planned 110 kilonewtons thrust, scalable to 132 kilonewtons, the engine ensures adaptability. The $5 billion program covers local manufacturing, positioning India as a major player in jet engine technology. GE Aerospace plans upgrades for Tejas F404N20 engines, focusing on operational efficiency and potential lifecycle cost reduction. Details are undisclosed but likely involve software upgrades and engine tweaks without thrust increases. Enhanced fuel efficiency could extend Tejas' range, reducing operational expenses. Delivery and testing timelines are unclear, with rigorous validation expected before deployment in the Indian Air Force's Tejas fleet. Hyderabad-based UAV Tech Private Limited has recently introduced the M165 series, showcasing its prowess in unmanned aerial vehicle technology. The M165 series encompasses a range of capabilities, from long-range military operations to versatile cargo and logistics solutions. DRDO unveils a game-changing 100 kilowatts directed energy weapon for countering low-flying drones. Mounted on a mobile 8x8 truck, this laser promises cost-effective protection against agile threats. DRDO's ambitious plans include a 250 to 300 kilowatts class DO for defending static sites against a broader range of adversaries, from rockets to cruise missiles. While the 100 kilowatts version nears demonstration, the larger systems development is underway, showcasing India's commitment to modernizing defense capabilities. TATA Group makes history by acquiring Wistron's India entity, becoming the first Indian company to assemble Apple iPhones. This strategic move aligns with the government's PLI scheme and positions India as a crucial player in the global electronics supply chain. The acquisition underscores Tata's commitment to technological self-reliance and economic growth. Japan's smart lander for investigating Moon, SLIM, leveraged India's Chandrayaan-2 imagery for a precise lunar landing. Chandrayaan-2, despite its orbiter's success after a partial mission landing, continues lunar studies. The collaboration between ISRO and Japan's JAXA extends to the upcoming LUPEX mission. However, SLIM faced unexpected challenges, tipping over and obstructing solar panels, affecting power generation. Assessments are underway to determine the success of SLIM's precise landing. STPL 3D unveils India's first SLS 3D printer, a landmark in the country's additive manufacturing growth. With a 500 by 500 by 500 millimeters build volume and a 100-watt CO2 laser, it signifies India's commitment to innovation and user-friendly 3D printing solutions, positioning STPL 3D as a leader in the field.